Google Scholar. Step-by-step guide. Meaning of Google Scholar. Google Scholar is a searchable database of scholarly literature and was invented by Anurag Acharya in 2004. It connects users with studies and journal articles on nearly any topic of interest. Not all articles are free. You might need a membership to read the full versions. There is no old name of Google Scholar. The owner of Google Scholar is Google. Google Scholar is also one of service provided by Google. Type of database of Google Scholar is bibliographic database. Google Scholar helps you find relevant work across the world of scholarly research. From one place, you can search across many disciplines and sources: articles, theses, books, abstracts and court opinions, from academic publishers, professional societies, online repositories, universities and other websites. Web link of Google Scholar is www.scholar.google.com. You can make account in Google Scholar. The home page of Google Scholar is given on this slide by writing the link www.scholargoogle.com. Google Scholar search bar is bordered with red color. In search bar you can write anything you want to search: articles, journal, books, thesis or dissertations. Press enter, you can get results. Google Scholar search bar outcomes. After searching any title, let's say the impact of COVID-19 on economic growth in Google search bar, here you will see lot of results shown here. I just share only 4. You can open in new window to read or download if the article is in PDF or doc format. It is clear the 4 articles are bordered with blue color and only 2 articles which are bordered with red color are in PDF format. So, you can click on it, download article in PDF format if related to your article or thesis. Otherwise, change the title in search bar such as COVID-19 and economic growth or determinants of economic growth, etc. It is important to note that in Google Scholar there are no tabs. Below search bar you can see news, images, videos, and more as like in Google. Moreover, if you need top article which is related to your thesis, so you can just get abstract for article, you can copy its title or DOI link and paste into link of sci-hub.hkvisa.net search bar. You can get link to search in Google by writing SCI Hub to get link and past article title in search bar. SCI Hub search bar is used to remove all barrier in way of science. For getting access of articles which Google Scholar can't give you access in PDF format. The search is bordered with green color after writing URL, DOI, or article title. Click on open, which is bordered with blue color. If still you can't get access of article, then visit your university library to get access. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.